Good morning. Welcome to Learning Management System, Department of Collegiate and Technical Education, Department of Mechanical Engineering, Course Machine Design, Course Code 15ME 53D for 5th semester, Unit 6, Ergonomics and Aesthetic Considerations in Design. Ergonomics. It is the scientific study of man machine working environment relationship and the application of anatomical, physiological and psychological principles to solve the problems arising from this relationship. Aesthetic. A set of principles of appreciation of beauty. It deals with the appearance of the product at any stage in the product life. The aesthetic quality cannot be separated from the product. Sometimes aesthetics is also called as judgment of sentiment and taste. Aesthetic examines our affective domain response to an object or phenomenon. Aesthetic judgments might be seen to be based on the sense, emotions, opinions, will, desire, culture, values, preferences, etc. Importance of aesthetics in design. In a present day of buyers market, a number of products available in the market are having some of the parameters identical. Therefore, the appearance of product is one of the major factor to attract the customer. For example, purchasing refrigerator, AC, mobile, laptop, automobile, vehicles such as TVS, two-wheeler, four-wheeler, etc. TV, music system, furniture, etc. Each and every the product is designed to perform a particular function or functions for satisfaction of customer needs. While selecting the product, generally the following parameters are considered by the customer. First of all, they are going to satisfy the functionality, durability, initial cost and maintenance cost, appearance, ability to withstand adverse conditions, service support, etc. Aesthetics considerations in design. The aesthetic considerations in design are as follows. Clockwise, step, taper, shear, streamline and sculpture. Let us see one by one. Aesthetic considerations in design. The aesthetics considerations in design are as follows. Form shape. Step form. It is a stepped structure having vertical accent. It is like a multi-story building. Taper form. It consists of tapered blocks or tapered cylinders, for example, taper buckets, steel glasses, boxes, etc. Shear form. Shear form as a square outlook, for example, cartoons, boxes, etc. Streamline form. It has a streamlined shape seen in the modern cars, aeroplanes, etc. Sculpture form. It consists of ellipsoids, paraboloids and hyperboloids. Color. Selection of proper color is an important consideration in product aesthetic. The choice of color should be compatible with the product. The most important considerations in the product aesthetics is the selection of proper color. Color. The color choice should be compatible with the conventional ideas of the operator. Various colors are associated with different moods and conditions. For example, the selection of the color code should be compatible with the conventions. Morgan has suggested the color code. Color. Red color is used for showing the danger or hurt. Orange color used for the possibility of doing work. Yellow, the caution. Blue, caution, cold. Green, safe. Symmetry. The human eyes are conditioned to see things in symmetrical form and tends to reject symmetrical shapes. Hence, in many products, symmetry about at least any one axis gives aesthetic appeal to the product. In some cases, functional requirement demands asymmetry. In that situation, balance in the product improves aesthetic feeling. Surface finish. The surface finish enhances the appearance of the product. The surface finish selected may be shiny, lustrous, or matte depending upon the requirement. Along with these parameters, external appearances is the cumulative effect of rigidity, resilience, motion of the element. Materials. Manufacturing methods used, surface treatments used, etc. The industrial designer should consider all the above factors to meet the visual recovery of the product. Continuity and variety. A product which is good continuity of elements aesthetically appealing. A variety is used while marketing the range of products. That's all. That is the regarding aesthetic considerations. Now let us move on to the assessment of this session. Now the multi-choice, the question. Let us start with the first one. Ergonomics is related to human, that is dash. Here the choices are comfort, safety, both A and B, none of the above. The answer is both the A and B, that is comfort and safety. The following subjects are related to ergonomics: anthropology, physiology, psychology. All of the above. The answer is all of the above: anthropology, physiology, and psychology. The quantitative information is one which concerns the choices are the value of some variable, rate of change, condition or status of a system, presence or absence of some specific object. The answer is rate of change. The quantitative information is one which concerns the value of some variables, rate of change, condition or status of a system, presence or absence of some specific object. Answer is A. Next question. Ergonomics principle suggests that monitoring displays should be placed outside peripheral limitations. Glow in the dark dials made of reflective substances are good for viewing in the nights. Visual systems should be preferred over auditory systems in noisy occasions. All of the above. The correct answer is Ergonomic principles suggest that visual systems should be preferred over auditory systems in noisy locations. The following is basic type of dynamic quantitative display. Choices are fixed scale with a moving pointer, fixed pointer with moving scale, counter displays, all of the above. The answer for the above the question is the dynamic quantitative display is fixed all of the above. In designing an efficient workspace, the left hand will cover, that is choices are maximum working area, normal working area, minimal working area, any of the above. Answer is minimum working area. The most frequently, eighth question, the most frequently used components are arranged in left side, right side, central location, any of the above. It is the most frequently used components are arranged in central location. The priorities when large number of controls and displays are to be arranged are: first priority primary visual task, second priority primary controls, third priority better controls display relationships, fourth priority location of frequently used items with easy use. Which of the above is not correctly matched? The D, fourth one. Fourth priority location of frequently used items with easy use. Which of the above is not correctly matched? The height of the top of the workbench should be dash the height of the elbow of the workman. Choices are at, above, below, any of the above. The answer is A, at the height of the elbow of the workman. Okay, thank you. To prepare this session, I used a textbook of machine design by Harris Kurmi, Shigle's Mechanical Engineering Design by Richard G. Bujans and Keith Nesbitt, Design of Machine Elements by J. V. K. Das and P. L. Srinivasmurthy, Design Data Handbook by K. Mahadevan and Dr. K. Balagur Reddy, Fundamentals of Drawing by K. R. Gopalakrishna. Thank you once again. This is about the team. The members help us to encourage the preparation of this e-content, to develop the video and also the preparation of the PPT for this session. Thank you very much.